Hey, when it's calling, yeah. So there's some little things, table sizes and whatnot. I think you nailed them. You added the image responsive, but there's a couple of underlying things that sort of blew up the like throwing a monkey wrench in the works. One of them was actually your Nevo slider. It was the silliest thing. When I say silly, it's something you just hard to notice. The only reason I noticed it is because I ran your actual page through a what I call Sublime Editor, and what it does is it picks out broken HTML. And in the Nevo slider, right down here, there is this really weird href equals, and then it was like missing the quote. And that blew up a whole bunch of stuff. So I fixed that. Okay. Um, and then there's the logo. I'm just uploading that right now. I'm just putting a hidden small on there so it doesn't show up till I can come up with a better solution. Because the actual problem was in your index page here, that Google map right here. I've changed it to a P tag from an H2 tag. That was problem number one. Then I had to add the class of hidden small, and basically trying to dig down and find out. It was a combination of the logo being too wide and this Google map, right? And until I figured out the combination of one was affecting the other, like one was conflicting with the other, then I was able to come up with a solution, which is on small devices, we're going to hide it because it actually has a width of like this huge fixed width because it's being loaded in um, from another source, right? And although, yeah, you're loading it in, you've set the width to 100%. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Google's going to put it at whatever size it wants. So that was a conflict right there. So it's not going to work on mobile devices because it's not responsive. So anyways, I have tested it on the sandbox, and I'm just going to test the logo one more time and then re-upload the whole thing to the sandbox. I'll send you a link so you can check on your phone. I did clear the cache on my phone, but yeah, it does display properly now on an iPhone. It's not all squished over to the side. Thanks for the screenshot. I was testing it locally and in Chrome Mobile Emulate, and it didn't give me that. So your screenshot, I mean, I should have done that. I could have done that myself to start with, but anyways, I just wanted to give you those quick updates to let you know sort of what I found. And then you can, but the major issue being the Google thing was it was just squishing everything over to the left, right? But uh, I played around with the logo, and then I put the logo back in and just hid that as well, so it doesn't squish anything else. So I'm gonna finish this video off. I'm gonna post this back up to the sandbox, send you a link to take a look at it, and then you can download it and update your local copy as well. Yeah, because there's a lot. There was like 16 pages using the Nevo slider. So just have a good run through it. Make sure that there's nothing else out of whack, and we're good to go.